Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to make your manicure long lasting with 3 easy steps. So without any further delay, let's start with my today's video. So first step is start with your clean nails. Wait, clean your nails doesn't mean that clean them with water and soap. It means that remove dry, flaky cuticles from your nail bed and then dehydrate them. Cuticles are just dry skin type of thing around our nail bed, and if you apply nail polish over dry cuticles, then your nail polish would not stick on your nail bed and they chipped off easily. Same goes to nail dehydration. If you apply nail polish over oily nail bed, then our manicure will chip off easily. That's why removing cuticle and dehydrating nail bed is important part before starting our manicure. Second step is base coat. If you want to make your manicure long lasting, then use any sticky base coat instead of peel off base coat and then apply base polish and do any nail art you want to. Also, after applying base coat, base polish and top coat, if you see you got nail polish on your skin, then clean them as soon as possible. If you don't do that, then your nail polish might peel off without any peel off base coat, and we all hate it, don't we? Third and last step is top coat. Finish your manicure with top coat to make your manicure long lasting by avoiding nail chipping, and don't forget to seal your nail tips. It's must. In the case of top coat, please try to use a top coat which doesn't crack after 2 or 3 days of application, same as the picture you can see here. For experiment, I have used 2 different types of top coat over this manicure. One is quick drying top coat and another one is gel look top coat. Quick drying top coat make my manicure long lasting, where gel look top coat cracked and chipped off after 1 week. If you have watched my Madonna nail art video tutorial, then you might know that I was wearing that manicure for almost 9 days. I guess it didn't chipped off because I was wearing a top coat over that manicure which doesn't crack my manicure after 3 or 4 days. Except my index. My index chipped off very easily because I use my index nail as nail tool. Actually. Here is another tip for you. Don't use your nails as tool, because if you do that, there is a chance your manicure will be chipped off easily. Also, there is a risk of nail breaking. Last but not least, durability of manicure also depends on our body chemistry. When I follow all these steps properly, my manicure lasts for 7 to 9 days. On the other hand, nail polishes last on my mother's nails without any base and top coat for 1 week, and she is really harsh on her nails. So durability of manicure depends on our body chemistry. Still, I hope that if you follow all these steps properly, then your manicure will last longer. So that's all about my today's video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, then make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share my video with your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel to never miss any upload. See you in my next video. Bye bye.